Welcome to my Never Wonderland. I am Elsbeth and I am again nearing my prize in Puppy Kitty sa Shein. So I have 0.01 left to win my free gift. Okay, pangatlong ano ko na to. Pangatlong prize ko na to. So, I've decided to record it kasi isang ganun pala feeding. That's great. Buti na lang. Okay. So, I'm gonna collect. Hello, Melanie. Shout out kay Melanie na hindi mapagtyagaan itong puppy keep. I'm on my third prize na. I hope you get inspired. Nakakalimutan na kasing pakainin itong puppy. So, without further ado, I'm gonna collect my heart. Ta-da! Ta-da! Congrats! You get a free gift. Now I'm gonna claim it. There you go. Successfully claimed. Am I going to play again? I am not so sure. Kasi pahirap na ng pahirap eh. At ang tagal na, ang dami ko na nag-google na oras. So I'll just check the order na lang. Yan. That's my order detail. Here's my... Ay. Hindi mo makikita. Yan. Ito yung aking pinili na prize. Isn't it nice? Nagkakahalaga siya ng 838. So I'm gonna get it. May nagtanong sa akin pala sa TikTok. Nag-message siya sa akin kung wala daw bang babayaran at all talaga. Yes, wala talagang babayaran. Pati shipping fee ay libre. Okay, so that's it folks. Thank you, Shein. I'm gonna wait for my gift na. Bye!